Alright guys, just a quick look at our Aussie pillow block that we have here. So basically we also call this our Cleveland black block, also known as the pillow block, which is what those bulges are right there. This particular one is a 2-bolt pillow block, which just has your normal Cleveland scalloped handrail. So no, for you guys that are wondering, it's not your XE prefix NASCAR 4-bolt block. This one's a 2-bolt black block pillow block, and these are found in our Aussie early 80 model Falcons, the XD and the XEs, and basically they're painted black instead of the iconic Ford blue that we had during the entire 70s, and pollution control and all that. So I'm guessing the name black block refers to all that stuff. But yeah, there you have it. That's a pillow block right there with those pillow looking bulges on the side of the block there. And apparently they got better bigger cooling and water jackets and that on these blocks. Apparently they've got thicker cylinder walls. A lot of people will say that. At the end of the day, look, I mean, they're the last casted Cleve blocks to run in our 80s run of V8 Falcons. So I'm guessing at the end of the day, they got to be the last revised block, I would say, compared to all the early to mid 70s stuff. Well, that's it there. It's just a 2-bolt. All right.